Hello everybody, in this episode of Coding Thursday, we are going to be learning how to have gravity in your Scratch game. Let's get started. So, what you need to do is, I'm just going to use the cat sprite for now just for an example. Now what you want to do is add this script here. So you go when green flag clicked, forever, and create a variable and just delete a my variable and call it y equals velocity. I'm pretty sure that's how you spell it. Yeah, and then make sure it's not seen. Now do change y velocity here by, and go to operators, game multiplication, do that, and do -1 and create another variable for gravity. Uncheck that as well and put that there. Now go to control and do if else, and then all you got to do is go to the operators and do or, just so it's a bit more sure about it, and then do if color. You need to put 2 of those in there, and then you got to select the bottom of your sprite, which I'm just going to probably do that for now, and then do the color here of the sprite, and then do I'm pretty sure you got to do that and that. Yeah, and then when you go to backdrops, you got to create a backdrop or a sprite or whatever, and just put it like, I'm just going to do another orange one, and I'll do it like this. So just put it like that, and then I'll bring it down a bit actually. So keep it like that, and then it be like that. Now what you got to do is change that color to that color there. Now go to now create another variable called grounded. Now get set grounded to 1, and then do if, and you do less than, and then get the y velocity, and then do 0, then set y velocity to 0, then in the else bit do set grounded to 0, and then go to motion and do change y by y velocity. And it won't fall yet because we don't have the falling mechanics, but I'm pretty sure yeah, that makes it so you can stand on it, but since there's no movement sort of thing there yet, can't do it. So next, just put another script like where you want your character to start, and make sure it's left and right rotation style. Then go, I'm just going to do that, and it should start there, and it falls, like that. Now, go and create another script in events, and do when green flag clicked, forever, and then get 2 ifs, and this is the controls here. And get to if statements, and then go to sensing, and then go to get 2 of the keys here, and then do, for example, left or right arrow. So that will move left, now will move right. But you can change this to whatever you want. I'm going to switch this around. And then go to point in direction 90, and then point direction -90. and then it should face in the right direction there. And then go to move 10 steps. But now I'm going to create another variable, which is called speed, and put that like that. Now, since there's nothing to do with speed yet, what we need to do is, well, first go to events, and when, I'm pretty sure let's just do when up arrow click, so this is obviously the jump button, and then do if the statement and do grounded, so again equals and put 1 there, then get grounded. If grounded equals 1, first create a variable called jump and hide it. Get that out ready, and then do change y by jump, and then set the y velocity to the jump variable, and then just do when green flat click, and this script here will basically set it to what speed it needs to be straight away. So you'll do set and copy this 5 times, and then make it so it goes speed, gravity, y velocity, jump, and grounded. And change speed to 9, gravity to 1, keep y velocity at 0, jump to 11, and grounded to 1. Now that works there. And for some reason the up arrow is not working. So let's see what the problem is. I'm pretty sure it's with the first script up here. So I'm going to make sure it's touching all the right stuff. So I'm just going to quickly check my other screen. So it should be, I'm just going to set it to what I have on the other screen because it's the same sprite and everything. And then do, that should be, yeah, that's the right color there. That's the right color there. That is the right color there. So the jumping is still not working. So let's see what's going on here. I think I've done something wrong in this bit here, or one of the other ones maybe, because I just need to check. That's alright, so should work. Sorry guys about this inconvenience, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on here. Should be there. You should be able to jump. What the? It's a little weird there. Let's change it a little bit. So, rotation style, blah blah blah. 0, 0, 1. All this should work, and on my other screen it works perfectly. So I don't know what the problem is here. Maybe it's the backdrop. I think it might be the backdrop. Let's raise it up a little. No, it should work. Sorry about this. There's something wrong with it. I think I've laid it out wrong or something. That's right there. Forever if else grounded, y velocity. Oh, there's the problem. This needs to be grounded. Now. There we go. Sorry about that. I read my other script wrong. So now you have a working gravity mechanic in your game. So while I'm here, I'm just going to go to backdrops and quickly convert it to bitmap, and I'm going to change the background to just a color, and go there, there we go, got it there. Now, looks a little better, still looks very bad, but all you gotta do if you want to change it, if you want to change the color of the ground, all you gotta do is change color of that, and then you gotta make sure this is the bottom of your sprite, make sure this is the inside bit here, make sure that is the inside bit, and that bit is the ground color. And yeah, so sorry about that inconvenience there, but that was only because I read my script from on the other side. So, hope you enjoyed. I'll leave a link down in the description to play this game, and yeah, see you next one. Bye.